Adventure Diary.
What did Grandpa bring us today?
Get messy.
Where is it?
In the dining room.
In the dining room?
Yeah, do you want to come see it?
Yeah. Take me to it. Oh my goodness. Look how tall that is. What'd you put on it?
What?
What'd you put on it?
Stars.
Those are snowflakes. So pretty. You did that yourself?
Yeah.
That looks great.
I put them on myself.
Nice.
You can hold them.
Where are we going today?
To my buddy party.
Your buddy's birthday party?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What are you eating?
A mint.
Mint. Can I film you? What are you doing?
I'm standing here. Do you see my face? Hi.
Where are we going?
To your friend's birthday party.
No, no. We're going to make it. We're going to...
Okay, let me see it. I gotta go get Emma. Ready? Alright, we just left a little birthday party that Dexter's friend had for his birthday. And Dexter got a goodie bag. Did you get a goodie bag?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I got candy.
And you got candy in it. And you had ice cream and cake and hot dogs and all kinds of yummy stuff. Now we're going to Grandma's and then gonna go to church.
Yeah. And please.
And then we're gonna go eat after church. That's right. And Dexter's gonna be a big boy and not cry at his church class, right?
Not.
He's not, because he's a big boy and he doesn't cry anymore. He goes right into his church class and acts just like a big, nice boy. And that's what we're gonna do.
You come back. Pick me up.
Yep, I'll come back and pick you up.
What movie?
Yep, and then watch movies at your church class. What was your last memory verse?
1 Peter 2:24.
1 Peter 2:24. Awesome. Awesome, buddy.
Oh, you know how it goes. I once was dancing alone and hopeless. A child of wrath I walked, condemned in darkness. But your mercy brought me life, and in your love and kindness lift me up. When I feel lost in my brokenness, I call your name and you answer. Held by your love. In life, through struggle, through the trial, you have You called me out upon the water, the great unknown, where feet may fail, where feet may fail and fear surrounds me. You never fail, and you won't start now. So I will call upon your name and keep my eyes above the waves.
I love you. Can you say it? Hey. I love you. Emmy. Emmy, look at Mama. Emma. Emma. I love you. You not gonna talk to me now? Emma. I love you. Oh. 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 Yeah. I love you. I love you. Oh. 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 Say oh. Oh. Emmy. I love you. Emmy. I love you. Emma. Emma Olivia. Hey. I love you. Oh. Oh, Emma. I love you. You gonna grin? Hi. You gonna grin? I love you. Say it. I love Mama. Mama. I love Mama. Mama. Oh, yeah. And then what? What else? What else? Huh? Emma. 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 Hey, Emmy. 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 Emma. Emma. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh my. What?